To create groups in Microsoft Entra Admin Center, under Identify, simply navigate to Groups, All Groups, and then select New Group. Then you'll have the option to either create a security or a Microsoft 365 group. To ensure that you create the correct group, you can read the Information tab to get a better understanding. Security groups are used to give group permissions, access to applications, resources, etc. However, Microsoft 365 groups are used for collaboration, giving members access to mailboxes, calendars, files, SharePoint sites, etc. So for this example, because I want to give somebody access to a SharePoint site, I'll use Microsoft 365 group. The group name, I'll just add support disk. Under the group description, I'll add, and then I'll select a owner. Adele be the group owner, and then members. For convenience, I'll add Alan and myself. I'll confirm the group settings and click create.